It's a dark and stormy night. And it is pouring down rain. We have Miss Maricela here. And she works at Imaging Bank. Inc. And please go by there if you want to. So here she is. She does not want to look at the camera because she knows she is so beautiful. She knows she is beautiful.
You motherfucker driving fast. Alexa, stop it.
And she is so mad at that driver over there. Do you see him? He is a crazy driver. And she called him retarded. And we're exiting. And look, I see a sign that says there's a Whataburger. Do you love Whataburgers, people? Now, we're stopping at a red light, hoping that we can get it home soon. Or at least to the Spanish bread store. They have delicious bread that I adore. But, oh, did you see that? We almost caught a clip of lightning. Oh, but this was awesome. I loved y'all guys. Thank you very much. Bravo! Mwah!